Glock 42 inside the waistband holster. Stick around. Hey guys, welcome back to IWB Kydex. So what I'm doing today is I'm making this holster. It's a very simple design, nothing too fancy about it. Black Kydex. It does have the Phobie clip on it, and it will have a tensioner. So I'm going to roll the footage real quickly so you guys can take a look at how I make these. This is a fold over design. This is .080 for the Kydex, Black Kydex, very simply made. So stick around for that. Alright guys, there is the final product. Go to 3riverkydex.com. Check out all the stuff that I have up there. Very simple. You fill out the order form. You tell me what gun you have. Hopefully I'll have the mold, or I can get the mold for you. Make sure you're on the mailing list. Go to 3riverkydex.com. Go all the way down to the bottom. First name, last name, and email address. That is the only place that you can get discounts for my products. Also, check out the other links and YouTube channels I have: 3 River Blades, 3 River Kydex, and of course 3 River Survival. All right, I'm doing a couple different things on YouTube. Check out all my social media. Become a Patreon member. That really helps out me and helps out the channel. And again, guys, if you want one of these, go to 3 River Kydex. Make sure you like, subscribe, share. Put all the links down below. Put all the comments down below. And as always, guys, please stay safe.